Guys, you're welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another vlog. So guys, today is Friday and I've gone out for my driving lessons, and my driver is currently just looking for a place where we can start our lessons for today. I actually drove out from the house. I've started driving out from the house. I'm going to show you guys a short clip of me driving out from the house. I've started driving out in short, I've started driving in HARCOURT, just that I need my license officially, or temporary license, to be able to drive on my own. So let's do this. You guys, prep is key. Prep is actually key. This is like 5 days I've been on this press-on nail and it's still hanging on. It's still very okay. Like none of them has even fallen off, like, and it's still looking so good. You guys, if you get press-on nail, make sure you take your time to prep it before putting it on your nails. So guys, I'm thinking of going to get yarn, but I'm also tired and I'm just tired. I don't feel like going to anywhere today, but I need to get. I ordered one yarn from AliExpress. That yarn cost me like 1,000 something. It's like a mesmerized cotton ball yarn, something like that. So it's not yet in Nigeria, but I'm thinking of going to get 𝦸Say yarn. I'm having two thoughts about it, whether to go get it or not to go, because I don't know. Today is just one of the laziest days of my life. I've actually been productive today. I've gone for my driving lessons. My hands is becoming very, very strong on the steering. I've also went out to get my soap and also get my brunch, because I'm doing my intermittent fasting that will be ended by 1 today. So I've actually been productive, but at this point now I don't feel like going out. I'm supposed to go to the speed up office to collect one of my parcels that arrived. I was called yesterday. I cannot go, so I'm going to wait for the delivery guy to bring it tomorrow, hopefully, fingers crossed. So I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. This vlog might be somewhat boring, but take me as you see me.
You must hustle if you want to. If no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too like us. No con they form say you too like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money.
I say hi. 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 So guys, I decided to come to Nest. Reason being that I went to the yarn store to get yarn, but the man was not around. So we came to Nest to buy the veggies I want to buy. So let's do this. Come along with me.